Landscape Architecture, Current Topics, INT 1300, Design Matters, Marco Dorset. Green roofs and how it relates to landscape architecture. A green roof system is an extension of the existing roof which involves, at a minimum, high-quality waterproofing, root repellent system, drainage system, filter cloth, a lightweight growing medium, and plants. Green roofs are most often seen in urban areas that don't already have a lot of green space. Green roofs need a lot of thought when thinking about how to design it and how it will enhance the overall landscape of a city. To the right is a picture of the layout of a normal green roof. History of green roofs. Modern green roof technology was created in the 1960s when Germany pioneered new, reliable technology that provided sophisticated irrigation and protection against roof ingress. And roof ingress is when water seeps into your house from the outside. With this new technology, Germany was able to market and develop the new green roof technology on a large scale. However, green roofing was also popular as early as 500 BC, with the Hanging Gardens of Babylon being the most popular example, which is pictured to the right. Public green roof benefits. Public green roofs have many benefits that continue to help the environment for common people. These benefits include aesthetic improvement, water diversion, stormwater management, moderation of urban heat island effect, improved air quality, new amenity spaces, and local job creation. Private green roof benefits. Private green roof benefits, like one on your own home, also have more benefits for the building itself as well as the people that occupy it, such as energy efficiency, increased roofing membrane durability to reduce ingress, fire retardation, reduction of electromagnetic radiation, noise reduction, and marketing. Design-specific benefits. When designing a green roof, here are some of the benefits to think about in the project. Increased biodiversity, improved health and well-being, urban agriculture, and educational opportunities. Cons of a green roof. Green roofs have not been found to have many cons while installed. When looking into if a green roof is right for you, the biggest hurdle you may face is the cost of the green and possible strengthening of the roof it goes on. The green membrane costs about $10 to $24 per square foot, with a bigger initial investment needed at the beginning of your green roof expedition. Green roof summation. There are countless benefits of green roofs and many facets of life. The main benefits of green roofs are aesthetics, environmental aid, and sustainable practices, especially in urban areas. Green roofs have historically been great, just as they are now, and offer little to no cons in the big picture. Here are my works cited, and that is the end. Thank you.